Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Easy here. This is a fast PSA. Just letting you guys know that the Tower 600 Bubble Pink is available on Amazon. I made a video about this already. That you can get it on Amazon right now. I already got mine. Mine's already been shipped out. I got one that's on pre-order, and I got one that was actually sent out by ThermalTake. As you can see right here, there's only 3 left. You can also get it on Newegg. So I'm gonna pop that up real quick. Right here, the only thing you got to type in is ThermalTake Tower 600, and you'll be able to get it right now. Shipping date, you will get it between March 28th, between March 27th, between February 27th and March 6th, or you can get it between March 2nd and March 6th, depending on your shipping. So it's available now. Get yours now. This is the fast PSA. Just wanted you guys to actually see that you can actually get yours. It's now available on Newegg, and it's also available on Amazon. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.